Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to find TikTok Shop on PC or laptop. First thing first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type TikTok Shop. Click on the official link, usually something like shop.tiktokglobalshop.com or a TikTok subdomain. Just sign in with your TikTok account to browse and purchase. Sometimes TikTok Shop is not available in certain countries. In that case, you can use a VPN to access it. Just install a trusted VPN app or extension on your PC and then connect to a server in a country where TikTok Shop is supported. For me, I'm using the Mozilla Firefox free VPN extension. Once connected, refresh your browser and search for TikTok Shop again. The shop page should now appear. Just a tip, always make sure to log in with your official TikTok account after accessing the shop so you can save items, view promotions, and track orders. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.